How to iterate over columns of pandas data frame to run regression. I'm sure this is simple, but as a complete newbie to Python, I'm having trouble figuring out how to iterate over variables in a pandas data frame and run a regression with each. Here's what I'm doing. I know I can run a regression like this. But suppose I want to do this for each column in the data frame. In particular, I want to regress fewx on fstmx and then fx on fstmx and then save on fstmx. After each regression, I want to store the residuals. I've tried various versions of the following, but I must be getting the syntax wrong. I think the problem is I don't know how to refer to the returns column by key, so returns k is probably wrong. Any guidance on the best way to do this would be much appreciated. Perhaps there's a common pandas approach I'm missing.
You can use iterators.
This answer is to iterate over selected columns as well as all columns in a df. df.columns gives a list containing all the columns names in the df. Now that isn't very helpful if you want to iterate over all the columns. But it comes in handy when you want to iterate over columns of your choosing only. We can use Python's list slicing easily to slice df.columns according to our needs. For e.g., to iterate over all columns with the first one, we can do. Similarly, to iterate over all the columns in reversed order, we can do. We can iterate over all the columns in a lot of cool ways using this technique. Also remember that you can get the indices of all columns easily using.
You can index data frame columns by the position using 9. This returns the first column, for example. 0 would be the index. This returns the first row. This would be the value at the intersection of row 0 and column 1. And so on. So you can enumerate returns.keys column and use the number to index the data frame.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.